Hi, well, welcome to week 4A. Thanks for sticking with the course this far, and I'm glad that we're entering into the fourth week. Just wanted to give you an overview of what's going on. So let's check out the schedule here. Okay, so for week 4A, the topics are the world and the early church, the earliest days of the church, and salvation for Jews and Gentiles. So that sounds very interesting. We want to be reading Acts 1 8 and 2 1 through 4 for the discussion question. What do you think happened to the believers who were gathered together? So, what do you think happened to the believers who were gathered together? That's the discussion question. The reading is Encountering the New Testament, 13 to 15 chapters, pages 179 to 218. And in the New Testament, it adds Acts 1 to 12. And then for the assignments, it's obviously just the discussion board again, and then reading quiz 7 and a lecture quiz on lectures 12 through 16. So reading quiz 7 and quiz 3 on the lectures that are lectures 12 to 16. So that's week 4A in a nutshell. So let's go ahead and check out the discussion board first. So that's due Wednesday, June 25th at 11:59 p.m. And just to be clear, it's minus 1 point for every day that a post is late. So I just wanted to make sure that that was clear. Um, you can choose one of two options. You can choose to read Acts 1 8 and 2 1 through 4, and then the question that I just read a second ago, or you can do option two, who or what is the Holy Spirit in the New Testament? So who do you think the Holy Spirit is in the New Testament? And how do you think that person of the Trinity functions? Things like that. So then we have the reading quiz, which opens Monday, June 23rd at midnight and closes Sunday, June 29th at 11:59 p.m. And then eventually we have the lecture notes. You'll find the lecture notes here, and then the lecture quiz, which opens also Monday, June 23rd at 12 a.m. and also closes Sunday, June 29th at 11:59 p.m. You have two attempts and a time limit of 4 minutes. Two attempts, 4 minutes. And then um, want to go back to the reading quiz to make sure we remember that there are two attempts and you get 3 minutes. So those are the parameters there. Just wanted to be clear. Um, let's check the syllabus to see what this first attempt part is about to make sure we're getting on the same page on all that. So let's make sure that I've got that correct. So here's the syllabus. Lecture quizzes. Doesn't look like it says it in here. So we'll have to find it elsewhere. So if you have problems and it doesn't let you keep your highest grade for some reason, let me know and we can fix that. So that's the gist of week 4A. Thanks very much. And once again, yeah, if you have any issues or questions, let me know and we'll get it resolved. Thanks for doing the maps and thanks for your discussion posts. I'm going to get to those for sure as soon as I can. And once again, yeah, just thanks very much. And I will talk to you soon.